What is going on, everyone? Hope you guys are having a great Sunday and had a great weekend. Today is October 25th, and on this post, we're going to be talking about Uniswap UNIUSD, and if I'm currently bullish, bearish, and what my short-term price prediction is according to what I'm seeing in the charts. Now, before I begin, please do read my disclaimer below, as I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky. Now, if you guys do want to support me and don't already have a WeBull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link in the video description section below. They are giving away 3 free stocks upon a successful sign-up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also earn free stocks upon a successful sign-up. Now, if you guys do have any comments or questions, please make sure to leave them in the comment section below, as I will not be able to get to all the messages in my inbox. And if you guys are watching this on TradingView, do follow me. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, do subscribe, as I do come out with regular analyses on the cryptos on my watch list. Now, let's begin. So let's take a look at the 12-hour chart on Uniswap and see if we can find anything new that's going on with Uniswap. Well, but frankly, there is nothing new going on with Uniswap since the downtrend back in September. As you can see right here, since we have reached the all-time highs at about, if we want to take a look at the wick, it'll be about 8.6. And then we have just fell from there and have yet to really hold the price action above this blue line, which is the 12-hour 21 moving average. But earlier this month, we have been able to get brief closes above this blue line, but immediately get rejected, and then try it again, rejected, try it again, rejected. And we are now in a very tight price action pattern. So we have formed this falling wedge pattern. If we actually do break out of this pattern soon, the price target would be about 3.7. Now, falling wedge patterns have a 68% chance of breaking upwards. So if the price action does break upwards within the next 2 or 3 candle closes, this will be my price target. And that's basically, you take the measurement of the opening of the pattern and you add it on top of your predicted breaking points. Okay, so if it does break out in the next 2 or 3 12-hour candles, this will be my price target. Now, please do note that just because the price action does break out, it may or may not mean that the price action will get to that target. It's basically only theory, so do keep that in mind. But if we actually do break out of this pattern, that would look pretty good, as we are expected then to close above this 12-hour 21 moving average that we have been trying for so long, as you guys can see. And that might even put us on top of the daily 21 moving average as well, which we have not even closed above on since the beginning of since the downtrend. So breaking out of this pattern would be a very good step towards the right direction and actually reversing this downtrend. Now, there are also additional points to my bullish arguments, such as if you guys take a look at total 2, the symbol, which is the total altcoin market cap, you guys can see that on the daily chart, it has actually broken out of an ascending triangle pattern out of its daily charts, which it has been ranging in since the sell-off back in September. Now, that is a good sign for altcoins in general in the market. But one thing to note is that the price action there in total 2, I have yet to see correlation with Uniswap. Now, if at some point in the near future these 2 charts do become correlated, then that would be even another bullish signal that Uniswap may be continuing higher. Now, another thing that I do also want to note is if you guys switch over to the 3-day chart and see that since the downtrend here, the trading volume has become a lot lower with decreasing price action. Now, that is a sign that the downtrend is weakening. So if buyers do show up, this could turn the trend around. Now, let's take a look at the bearish case scenario. Now, the bearish case scenario will be obviously if we break below this bottom trend line right here. Now, that would be very bad because if we do break below this bottom trend line right here, the only two levels of support I see here would be about 2.65, and the last level of support would be about 2.5, okay? So if we actually break below this bottom trend line and we break below these two levels of support, we really have no reference of where the next level of support we can bounce off of, right? But so these two levels of support, if we actually breach them, we don't really have trading history to find the next bounce. So that is dangerous, and I'll be very careful of that. Now, this concludes my short-term analysis of Uniswap. I hope you guys have found it helpful. If you guys did, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me any feedback, comments, disagreements, agreements in the comment section below. I will hope to see you guys next time, and please do manage your risk carefully. Thank you.